there's something that's been brought to my attention that is becoming more and more of a problem for the channel. And to be honest, I've noticed it a couple of times. I've seen it in the comment sections, but with so many comments coming through on the channel now, it's hard for me to police this every single time. So sometimes they do fall through the cracks. So I've noticed that some of you guys have actually noticed it. Some of you guys have mentioned and messaged me to say, look, you need to be aware of this. Others just basically believe it. So I'm going to basically state where my position is for this and also ask you guys to use a little bit of common sense as well. So I've been noticing that there are other accounts popping up on YouTube claiming to be Conversation of Money. They've got Conversation of Money and they've also got my profile picture as well. I don't know how YouTube allow this to happen. I've reported these so many times and they haven't done anything about it. One of the suggestions is that they're going to give us a blue tick that will verify that you're actually speaking to the right account. When they're going to do this, I don't know. But in the meantime, I have noticed that in the comment section, some of you guys are saying that you're confused and what's going on here and all this kind of stuff. And I'm having to say that it's a fake account. So let me just be unequivocal in saying this. I will not ask you to text a number. I will not ask you to go and visit this account to invest in Bitcoin or crypto or Forex or anything like that. I'm not going to do that. Furthermore, you know where I'm based. You know where we are based, right? This is a UK channel. I'm not going to put in the comment section a number that is telling you to phone America or Andorra or Nigeria or anywhere like that. So guys, just be very, very vigilant. A little bit of common sense comes into this. But if you are in doubt in any way, shape or form, this is how you can decipher whether the comment is from me or it's from one of these fake scam accounts that are trying to basically get hold of your money. Any comment that I respond to will always have my account in this format. My name will always be highlighted. So please watch out for that and please use your common sense. This is likely going to be more and more of an issue because as this channel grows, I'm getting around about 150,000 views a month at this rate. It's going to become more popular until YouTube does something about it. So guys, please be vigilant. Please notify me when this is happening. You can do me a huge favor in just reporting the account. Now, how you do that is you click on the account. There will be a flag when you land on their profile. Click on that and just report the account. That would be great. That would really, really help me out. But guys, please be vigilant. Please use a little bit of common sense. I'm not going to ask you to send your details or, contact someone about something. That's not what I do here, okay? Yes, I have my courses, I have my Discord group. You know what I offer you. No one's forced to do that. I'm not going to ask you to go to another person to go and do something else. That's just not going to happen. So please be vigilant. Now you know, and you've heard it from the horse's mouth directly.